Hello, grade 7. How are you? I'm Miss Sarah. I miss you so much. Today we are going to continue our lesson, which is reduction of fractions. The objective of today is to reduce a fraction by one step using G.C.D method. So today we are going to talk about the second method or method 2, which is G.C.D method, to reduce this fraction in just one step. How? By the G.C.D method. Let's see. Okay, as we said, I want to reduce this fraction by G.C.D method. Okay, by G.C.D method. If I said I want to reduce it by G.C.D method, what's the meaning of G.C.D? G.C.D, it means greatest common divisor. I have to find the greatest divisor that these two numbers will be divisible by it. اوكي يعني انا بدي فتش على اكبر رقم بيقدر دغري اقدر اقسمه على 15 and 75 directly to get directly in one step the simplest form of this fraction. So how to find it? I have to find the GCD. How to find the GCD? First I have to find the GCD of the following two numbers, which are 15 and 75. How to find the GCD of two numbers? As we said previous, let's review. First, I have to decompose the number using prime factors only. Divisible, it is divisible by 3 and by 5. Let's divide by 3 to get 5. Divide by 5 to get 1. So 15 is equal 3 times 5. Okay, now let's decompose 75. 75, since it begins with 5, so it is divisible by 5. Divided by 5, you can divide it here, so it will get 115. Okay, 15 is divisible by 3 to get 5, then divide by 5 to get 1, so 75 is equal to 3 times 5 squared. Now I have to find what? The GCD. Okay, GCD of 15 times 75 is equal to, if I want to find the GCD, I have to choose the common factors to the smallest exponent. Okay, the common factor to the smallest exponent. Here I have 3, here I have 3. I take one of them, so GCD is equal to 3 times, here I have 5, here I have 5 squared. I take the common to the least exponent, so times 5, so the GCD will be equal to 15. Okay, so now I can simplify this fraction directly by what? By 15. Let's check. 15 over 75. If I want to use the successive division, which is the first method, I can divide here by 5, I can divide here by 3 in more than one step. But here, because I find the GCD, I can directly divide by it. Okay, I'm dividing by 15, divide by 15 to get 15 divided by 15 is equal to 1, and 75 divided by 15. Let's try. 75 divided by 15. 15 times what? Give me 75. Let's try. 15 times 2, it's 30. 15 times 3, 5 times 3, 15. 3 times 1, 3, 45. 15 times 4, 24, it's 60. 15 times 5 to give me 75, so it's times 5. Okay, so now it will give me 5. So this one is the irreducible fraction, or the simplest form of this fraction. Okay, 15 over 75. If I divide it directly by the GCD, which is 15, I will get 1 over 5, which is the simplest form. Okay, so this is the second method, which is the GCD method. As you notice, I use only one step, division. How? By first finding the GCD. Find the GCD, make prime decomposition for the two numbers, then you can find it, then divide by it directly, you will get the simplest form. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.